back to the new session of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin. In this series, we are daily learning a new formula. Nowadays, we are learning the date formulas. So, in today's session, also, we are going to learn a new and very dynamic formula that is called today formula. So, let's start, guys. Before starting, we will discuss the description of this formula. So, let's start, guys. So the formula says returns the current date formatted as a date. So basically, if we want the today's date, we can simply press this formula or we can put this formula and we can get our output. And on the other side, if you see the syntax of this formula, there is nothing in between the brackets. We just need to press tab and press enter. So simply we can see we are getting the dates by using this formula. So to use this formula, it is very simple to use, but the usage of this formula is very good and very dynamic. How it can be possible? Like if someone wants the date and the difference between of 7 days, how we can simply take this date as a base, and we can simply press. We can add simply the 7. For example, we want a weekly gap, and we can drag it down. So this is all about like weekly dates that we want to get. And on the other hand, if we want the data with the 30 days difference, that also we can do simply by adding to the today function, and we can add 30 and we can get the data with the difference of 30 days. So coming to the next, if we want to see the uses of this formula, how we can see, let's jump to the next sheet. In front of you, this is the sheet of items that we supposed to deliver, and we have written the product id and the products and the price and the delivery date. If someone wants to get the due dates, like when we used to deliver these products and all, how we can leverage this today formula? We can simply take this date and we can subtract from today formula. We can simply give this formula and press enter and press enter. So now if you see, we are getting this all due dates in the date format, but actually this is not a date format. This is number. As we discussed in our last video, like if we are putting the number in the date formatted cell, then we will get the date only. So here also, if you go to the home tab and check the number formatting, it is date only. You can simply change the date to the journal or number format, whatever you want. So if we have changed the date, and we can see the due days has been uh, we got. So for from this data, we can analyze our due dates to deliver this kind of products and all. So this is the one simple uses of this today formula. Now we are jumping to the next uh, sheet, and if and we'll see the uses of this today formula. One more uses of this formula. So in front of you, this is the list of the employees where the birthday date is given. So we just want to get the age from the birth date. How we can leverage this today formula? So simply in our last video we had discussed year formula, and by using this year formula we can get the date. And on the other side, if you see, if we are putting this today formula, then also we are getting date. Instead of that, if we want the year from this today date, we can simply put year formula and blend this year formula with the today date and drag it down. Again, this number, this cell are having the format of date. We can simply change the format and get it to number. So this is the year, as we are making this video in 2025, and we can able to see the correct result, that is 25, and we can simply subtract these two numbers and we can get the age of these employees. Or else, instead of giving the results in a different columns, we can simply put in a single cell. First we supposed to give the year, and after that in front of this, we can simply put year formula, then today formula, and bracket close, one more bracket close, minus, and this. Press Ctrl D, and again you can change the number format. So this is the exact same result we are able to see that we were able to get by using the different sort of function in a different columns. And instead of that, we can put in a single cell. So in this way, we can leverage this today formula. So this was all about this video, guys. Hope you like the session. And there might be another ways also we can put this today formula in our like working, and we can make or understand data and make it very dynamic, and we can align analyze data. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe. And if you have any comments and all, you can put in a comment section so we can solve a particular query together. So till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Thank you guys.